Alright, this is a video I'm making on how to connect the little bracelet. Some people have been having problems with them, so a little explanation here. Alright. We have a knot on this end, right here, and a loop on this end, right there. What we do is when we go to put this on, we take our little knot, push it through. It's hard to do while trying to videotape it. It's incredibly hard to do while trying to videotape it. Almost through there, you see it? Almost through there. Alright, see it? I put the knot through the loop right there. And going to take the slip part of the knot and slide it closed so that the knot will not come through the loop. I had to look away from it to do it. Well, that was fun. Not really, but here you go. Kept me entertained for a minute. Enjoy.